Had an 8N roll into the shop last week with a 3-point hitch that sounded like it was stirring oatmeal. Owner said, "Sam, I just need to change the oil." Well, on a Ford 8N, that oil works in the transmission, hydraulic system, and rear axle. So we do not rush it. First, park level. Set the brakes, lower the implement clear to the ground, shut her off, and let the old girl cool. Have a proper drain pan, clean rags, and a good light. Oil on a concrete floor makes a man feel young exactly once. Now look under the tractor. The 8N has drain points associated with the transmission, hydraulic pump center section, and rear axle. Keep your pan where it belongs, loosen them carefully, and let it drain all the way. Do not get under a tractor held up only by a jack, and do not trust a raised implement. Here is what I watch for: milky gray fluid means water got in. Glitter, flakes, or heavy sludge mean this may be more than a fluid change afternoon. Clean the fill and level check area before you open it. One handful of Iowa grit in that hole can make a bigger repair out of a simple maintenance job. For the refill, use the fluid specification and final level in the correct Ford 8N manual. Do not choose oil by a fellow's memory, a jug color, or the loudest argument at the parts counter. Fill slowly with the tractor level. Then start it in a clear spot, cycle the hitch empty, and check for leaks before you put a load on it. Here is my pro tip: if the lift chatters, drops fast, or will not rise after the level is right, do not hide the trouble with thicker oil. That is your cue to use the service procedure and find the real cause. If you want the proper diagrams, specifications, and hydraulic repair steps for your 1948 through 1952 Ford 8N, I have the service manual over at the manual store. Link is below. Keep it clean, keep it level, and I will see you in the next one.